Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello mate, I'm Aisha Supira. So today I'll show you a tutorial how to avoid COVID-19 virus in this pandemic. So first of all, we need mask. I don't care what kind of that mask, but we need mask. So here I use duckbill mask. Okay? So put the mask in front of your mouth like this, and then pull the rope behind your ears like this. Be careful, like this. Done. This is how we wear masks perfectly, okay? Second step is we need to use hand sanitizer. Why we need to use hand sanitizer? We need to use this for protect our hands from bacteria or virus that live in our hands. Or if you have touched something like your phone, your face, your money or something, we need to use this for clean our hands. And also you can use water for wash your hands perfectly like usually, okay? So how to use this thing? Okay, just open it like this. I don't care what kind of that hand sanitizer, cheapest one or expensive one, I don't care. So use it like this, and don't forget to scrub it all around your hands like this, and done. The last one is we have to social distancing. We have to social distancing for increase COVID-19 around us. Approximately 1 or 2 meters from here we stand. I think that was a simple tutorial how to avoid COVID-19 in this pandemic. I hope this pandemic will be over and we can meet together like a normal situation in school. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.